Hi, Jay boys. Muzzleloader season. Check this out. Thompson Renegade. The beauty. Keep her in oil. Oh my God, she's a beaut. Best shooting gun, black powder. I know it's cap. A lot of guys don't like cap. But yeah, oh, the wedge. I get the wedge. You like that crackling fireplace back there? I just love this thing. Iron sights. She just shoots so good.
So, how are you going to put this together?
Well, this here particular rifle, we call it the Sneedly. It shot a lot of deer. If I do this right, there's a wedge. I pretty much pushed it in with my thumb. The wedge is sticking proud yet, though.
What are we going to be using for deer? I know we're not going to use round balls.
No, we are definitely going to be using the old tried and true
Maxi ball.
Maxi ball. They are some big ones. So I got 50 caliber. Can you see the size difference?
The one on the right is the Maxi ball, and the one on the left is just the normal round ball.
This is going to need patch and lube. This is going to be lube only. So, yeah. But yeah, she's a great gun. She's a little heavy, but a lot of fun to shoot.
End it.
Never trust a skinny cook.